Unit 3, Water Management. Chapter 2, Our Water Consumption. The water available on earth is used for many purposes. So, in this chapter, we shall learn more about water consumption. Domestic water consumption. Now, in addition to drinking water, humans need water for cooking, bathing, washing clothes, washing cars. Then again, it is used for toilets, cleaning, and many other such purposes. So that means water plays a very important role in not only in the human life but also in other forms of lifestyle, in the process of industrial purposes. Then for each and every need there is a consumption of water. Water used for agriculture, irrigation and industry. Now, considering the factor of water in rural areas, the farmer is the center point of that factor. Crops are also irrigated through the irrigation system. Now, the economic development also depends on the availability of that water. Therefore, water use organizations have been formed and water distribution have been done with the idea that the water for agriculture should be managed properly. It should be also managed in such a way that all the farmers get equal amount or equal quantity of water so that there is justice given to them. Every crop needs water differently. Modern irrigation is done as per crop requirement according to the principle water is needed for the crop and not for the whole land. There is a need to adopt a technological approach. Water is widely used for agro-based industry such as sugar factories, then is fruit processing and non-agriculture industries such as dams, roads, colonies and various other factories. Next, power generation. Now many dams in the country generate electricity. The water from the dam is used for hydroelectric power generation. Now this water flows in the dam and is released rapidly from the height so that the generator rotates and the electricity is being produced. In Maharashtra, there are hydroelectric power generation projects like Koyna, Popali, Bhira, Bhivapuri, Khopoli, Varna and Vaitarna. Fishing and fisheries. Fishing is practiced extensively in the creeks, dams, rivers, lakes and many other reservoirs or many other sources of water. Now, the business generates huge financial turnover on the coast as well as in many port areas. In Maharashtra, fishing is done by producing fish seeds or also fish eggs in small and big dams. Also to that, as a supplementary business to agriculture, fish farming is practiced in a farm, lake, puddle, pond and small ponds. It is generating huge economic output. Next, shipping. Today there are many options available for transportation. In this, the cheapest option is shipping. There are some major shipping ports in India, for example, Kandla, Mumbai Port, Cochin, Vishakhapatnam, Chennai, etc. The North Atlantic, Suez Canal, Panama Canal are the major waterways of the world. So these are the more important, or you can call them as the most important waterways of the world. Then it is water is also used for tourism industry, that is for tourism business. Now we know India is one of the most important recognized country for historical culture. So it is also well known for tourism. due to its historical due to its historical significance. So it is important for the tourists to have other facilities including water in that place. Now, sanitation, all amenities, attractive gardens, swimming pools, accommodation, and the most importantly, abundance of water are the most important tourist destination. So all these are required for a good tourist destination. Okay, there should be good amenities, that is good facilities, attractive gardens, attractive nature. Then there should be good quality of pools. Okay, then the accommodation should be affordable, and also it should be very convenient for the tourist. Musical fountains of water are also seen in tourist places. Now in Maharashtra, Aurangabad Jayakwadi project, then is Jnaneshwar Udyan in Paitan, Anand Sagar in Shigaon, and in some other places artificial waterfalls take a breathtaking view. Okay, many migratory birds from other countries come to the reservoir, that is Bharatpur, then Ujjani Dam, which is in Maharashtra. Next, water for environmental protection. Now we know all living organisms need water. Okay, it is a main survival for all living organism. Okay, it is also required for plants also. Okay, for cultivation of crops, then for forest, okay, and various other purposes. Okay, all, that is all living organisms needs water. Then soil and rock formation are also affected by water. After all, there is no life without water. Water alone maintains the balance of all the organic, inorganic elements in nature, and it helps to protect the food chain in nature, including plants, animal, birds, and insect. So these are the usefulness of water, or we can say that water is the most important source for all living organisms to survive on the earth. Now, for your exercise, you have to write all the 6 questions into your notebook. Okay, you have to write your own answers. So, with this, I've completed the chapter. Okay, thank you.